Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and today I will teach you all you need to know about the manual task, how to create them and what type of task you can create. For this it's necessary to go to your follow-up. Remember that for having the follow-up it's necessary to have a professional or a professional dialer type of account. In here you will select like this the properties that you want to create the task and select the schedule task on the top. In here, this will open and it's necessary to change it to be manual. The difference is that with automatic, the system will complete that task by itself, and with the manual, you can manually complete the task. This are all the tasks that you can do manually. You can send an SMS, send a fax, send an email, send a document, or make a call. And also you can mark if you are waiting for a reply and receive an SMS or an email or receive a document, you can mark it to be pending so that way you can track that on our system. So for example, let's gonna do a different type of them. If I select the first option to be sending an email, manual, create, this will open as soon as you select the correct template and everything is okay the way you want it. Just select create task. Now the second option, I will mark it as make a call. This way you can create your own list for calling people. I'm just gonna select the schedule task, manual, make a call, and you can even set up a day when you want this to be completed. For example, on next day at 9 a.m. And the last one I will mark it as receive text message or SMS. Let's say that I'm waiting this text message on Friday. Create. It's gonna be selected the default and create. You can add a description, waiting, reply, and select create task. So where you can see all the pending tasks that you have for these properties, you will see here in this column the number of pending tasks that you have for that property. As you see, I have already 3 pending tasks for this and 2 for this because I had one before. If I select that 4th property and select a new pending task like this and document manually on Monday, select create, you will see that, remember that it's always important to have the offer for all the properties in order to send any offer or any document. You can manually input it in here. Select update and continue. It will take you to the document, so the sending of document. Just select the correct document and select email and create task. Now you will see that a number 1 is going to appear in here in this column. like this. So where to check then? You can go to select task in here, pending task, refresh it, and you will see a list of all the pending tasks, from what properties, what type of task is created, what was the time, and when it's going to be completed, the current status, the contact, and phone number. In this column, it indicates the type, if it is manual or automatic. If it was automatic, like this, for example, I'm going to create a new task, automatic for tomorrow. You will see that in this column a small lighting icon will appear indicating that this is an automatic task. The rest are manual tasks. What is the difference? This is going to be completed automatically by the system, and with this it's necessary that you do the action for it to be completed. So how to execute this task manually? Now that you create your own list, you can select, for example, this, and just select, I'm gonna select these two, okay, and select completed. You can select execute or mark as completed. What is the difference? If you select execute, the task is now going to be done by the system. Right now it's sending the documents, like you see by the type. And if you select mark as complete, it's only going to be marked on the system as completed, not going to be done. Okay, so it is important to know that difference. Now the documents were sent through the system. If you want to complete for the call, for example, and you create your own list, just select the list. Remember that this is the one that indicates that this is a type of it's a call type. Complete execute, and it will get you to this point to select Plivo. Remember, for having the dialer activated in your account, it's necessary to have a professional dialer account. Just select Plivo, select the principal, make the call, and you can start calling. In this case, it's start calling the two properties. I'm adding myself as a contact, not about anyone. As you can see, it start dialing, and it's start dialing. Just gonna hang up, and after you finish and doing the call like this, I'm gonna hang up. Those are disappeared from your list because now they are a completed task. Okay? The last thing that you can do is you can check by the task detail what type are, then when it's going to be completed, all the information of those tasks. And if you don't want, if you only want to complete it, for example, like this, just select mark as completed. Remember, when you do mark as completed, the task is not actually done, it's just marked as completed on the system. And the last thing, if you just want to erase them, you don't want to do it anymore, just select delete it in here and delete task. If you had a lot of tasks like I did it before, you can select the filter option to search for the task on the property that you want to look at. And if you select reset, it's going to appear all the properties again after you filter. Also, you can print them or send them to an Excel file. And that's all you need to know about the manual task. Thanks for watching.